Welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the key activities of the project development, execution, or delivery phase. In this video, we are going to look at 1. The roles of a business analyst in this phase, and 2. The outputs of this phase, and the contribution of a business analyst to these outputs. Let us start by looking at the roles of a business analyst in this phase. A business analyst typically clarifies requirements for developers, supports developers with requirement interpretation, manages change requests, and ensures solution aligns with business needs, participates in testing UAT support, and validates deliverables against requirements. The business analyst acts as the bridge between business stakeholders and the technical team during execution. Let us now look at the outputs of this phase. The outputs of this phase are 1. Developed product or system. 2. Updated documentation. 3. Tested solution. 4. Deployment-ready solution. 5. Status reports. And 6. Change logs. Let us now look at the contributions of a business analyst to the project development or execution or delivery phase. Number 1 of the BA contribution is the developed product or system. During the project development or execution or delivery phase, the business analyst, BA, plays a critical role in ensuring the developed product or system aligns with the agreed business requirements and delivers real value. In developed product or system, the BA contribute in the following. 1. Requirements clarification and interpretation. 2. Traceability management. 3. Change control and impact analysis. 4. Solution validation. 5. Testing support, especially UAT. 6. Stakeholder communication. 7. Documentation updates. And 8. Ensuring business value realization. Let us now look deeper into each of the business analyst's contributions. Number 1 is requirements clarification and interpretation. The business analyst explains the functional and non-functional requirements to developers, answers queries during development, ensures no misinterpretation of business needs, updates requirement documents where necessary, and this prevents costly rework and misaligned solutions. Number 2 is traceability management. The business analyst maintains the requirements traceability matrix, RTM, ensures every requirement is implemented, and tracks changes and their impact, verifies that nothing is missed, and ensures full coverage of business scope. Number 3 is change control and impact analysis. The business analyst evaluates change requests, performs impact analysis, cost, time, scope, risk, advises stakeholders on implications, updates documentation accordingly, and protects the project from uncontrolled scope creep. Number 4 is solution validations. The business analyst reviews developed features against requirements, participates in walkthroughs and demos, confirms business rules are correctly implemented, ensures acceptance criteria are met, and confirms the product is fit for purpose. Number 5 is testing support, especially UAT. The business analyst supports system integration testing, SIT. Leads or supports user acceptance testing UAT. Prepares test scenarios and scripts. Validates test results. Ensures defects are logged and resolved. And ensures the solution works from a business perspective. Number 6 is stakeholder communication. The business analyst provides progress updates, manages expectation gaps, facilitates communication between business users and technical teams, and keeps stakeholders aligned and informed. Number 7 is documentation updates. The business analyst updates functional specifications, revises process models to be, documents configuration decisions, prepares handover documentation, and ensures the developed system is properly documented for future support. Number 8 is ensuring business value realization. The business analyst confirms that the solution solves the original problem, checks alignment with business objectives, validates measurable benefits, and ensures the product delivers return on investment, ROI. Let us look at the second output, which is the updated documentation. During the project development or execution or delivery phase, documentation is not static. As the solution is built, changes, clarifications, and refinements occur. The business analyst, BA, ensures that all documentation remains accurate, current, and aligned with the delivered solution. The contribution of a business analyst to the second output, which is updated documentation, are: 1. Updating requirements documentation. The BA revises the business requirements document, BRD, or functional requirements specification, FRS, where changes occur. Updates acceptance criteria where needed. Reflects approved change requests. Ensures requirements match the implemented solution. And ensures documentation reflects reality, not just initial assumptions. Number 2 is maintaining the requirements traceability matrix, RTM. The BA updates traceability links between requirements, design, development, and testing. Confirms all requirements have been implemented and tested. Identifies any gaps. And ensures full requirement coverage and audit readiness. Number 3 is updating process models to be processes. The BA revises to be process maps to reflect final system behavior. Aligns workflows with implemented functionality. Documents new roles or responsibilities introduced by the solution. And ensures operational teams understand how processes will function post-implementation. Number 4 is updating data documentation. The BA refines data models if changes occurred during development. Updates business rules related to data. Documents field definitions and validation rules. And supports future system maintenance and reporting accuracy. Number 5 is capturing configuration decisions. The BA documents agreed configuration settings. Records assumptions made during development. Notes constraints and system limitations. And provides clarity for future enhancements or audits. Number 6 is supporting testing documentation. The BA updates test scenarios and test cases. Records defect resolutions. Ensures UAT sign-off documentation is completed. And strengthens governance and compliance. Number 7 is producing handover documentation. The BA prepares knowledge transfer materials, documents FAQs and known issues, supports operational handover to support teams, and ensures smooth transition into business-as-usual operations. Number 8 is supporting governance and compliance. The BA ensures documentation meets organizational standards, supports regulatory or audit requirements if applicable, maintains document version control, and protects the organization from compliance risks. Let us now look at the third output, which is the tested solution. During the project development or execution or delivery phase, one of the major outputs is a tested solution. The business analyst plays a critical role in ensuring that the solution is not only technically functional, but also meets business needs. The contribution of a business analyst to the third output, which is tested solution, are: 1. Defining testable requirements. The BA ensures requirements are clear, complete, and measurable. Defines acceptance criteria for each requirement. Removes ambiguity before development begins. And makes the solution testable and reduces defects. 2. Supporting test planning. The BA collaborates with QA/test teams to define test scope. Helps identify critical business scenarios. Confirms business priorities for testing, and ensures testing focuses on high-impact business processes. 3. Developing test scenarios and UAT scripts. The BA creates business-focused test scenarios, prepares user acceptance testing UAT scripts, defines expected results based on requirements, and ensures real-life business workflows are validated. 4. Validating functional requirements. The BA confirms developed features meet agreed specifications, checks that business rules are correctly applied, verifies calculations, workflows, and validations, and ensures alignment between requirements and system behavior. 5. Facilitating user acceptance testing UAT. The BA coordinates with business users, explains system functionality to testers, clarifies expected outcomes, records feedback and issues, and acts as the bridge between users and technical teams. 6. Defect management and resolution support. The BA logs and categorizes defects, performs impact analysis, confirms whether issues relate to requirements or development, validates fixes before closure, and ensures defects are properly managed and resolved. 7. Ensuring non-functional requirements are met. The BA confirms performance, security, usability, and compliance requirements are tested. Works with technical teams to validate system constraints, and ensures the solution is robust and fit for purpose. 8. Obtaining business sign-off. The BA confirms that acceptance criteria are met, supports final approval from stakeholders, ensures formal UAT sign-off documentation is completed, and officially validates that the solution is ready for deployment. Let us look at the fourth output, which is the deployment-ready solution. During the project development or execution or delivery phase, one key output is a deployment-ready solution, a system that has been built, tested, approved, and prepared for release into the live environment. The business analyst plays a vital role in ensuring the solution is not only technically ready, but also business ready. The contribution of a business analyst to the fourth output, which is deployment-ready solution, are 1. Ensuring business readiness. The BA confirms all business requirements have been implemented. Verifies acceptance criteria have been met. Ensures UAT sign-off is obtained. Confirms alignment with original business objectives. And ensures the solution is fit for business use before go-live. 2. Supporting go-live planning. The BA contributes to deployment planning discussions. Identifies business impacts of release timing. Advises on phased versus full rollout. Supports risk assessment for go-live. And helps minimize disruption to business operations. 3. Data migration validation. The BA confirms data mapping rules are correct. Validates migrated data against business expectations. Ensures data integrity and completeness. And protects the organization from data-related risks at launch. 4. Change and impact analysis. The BA assesses operational impact of the new system. Identifies process changes. Highlights new roles or responsibilities. Ensures stakeholders understand changes. And prepares the organization for transition. 5. Supporting training and knowledge transfer. The BA assists in preparing training materials. Clarifies system functionality to trainers. Supports user training sessions where required. And ensures users are confident before go-live. 6. Updating documentation for release. The BA finalizes requirements documentation. Updates to B process models. Confirms traceability is complete. Prepares handover documentation for support teams. And ensures sustainability post-deployment. 7. Supporting release sign-off. The BA confirms readiness checklist completion. Ensures all critical defects are resolved or accepted. Validates that risks are documented. Supports stakeholder approval for release. And ensures governance and accountability. 8. Post-deployment support, early life support. The BA assists in resolving post-go-live issues. Clarifies requirements if misunderstandings arise. Gathers feedback for future enhancements. And ensures a smooth transition into business-as-usual operations. Let us look at the fifth output, which is the status reports. During the project development or execution or delivery phase, status reports are critical for tracking progress, managing risks, and keeping stakeholders informed. While the project manager typically owns the overall status report, the business analyst contributes significantly to the business-focused content within those reports. The contribution of a business analyst to the fifth output, which is status reports, are 1. Reporting on requirements progress. The BA updates on completed, in progress, and pending requirements. Highlights requirements at risk. Confirms traceability status. Reports on requirement coverage in development and testing. And ensures transparency on scope delivery. 2. Reporting on change requests. The BA provides updates on submitted change requests. Reports impact analysis findings, cost, time, scope. Indicates approval or rejection status. Tracks implementation of approved changes. And helps control scope and manage stakeholder expectations. 3. Communicating testing and UAT status. The BA reports UAT progress. Summarizes defects identified and resolved. highlights critical or high-priority issues, confirms sign-off readiness, and keeps stakeholders informed about solution quality. 4. Identifying risks and issues from a business perspective. The BA escalates requirement-related risks, flags ambiguity or gaps affecting development, identifies stakeholder alignment issues, highlights potential business impact, and supports proactive risk management. 5. Providing business impact insights. The BA explains how delays or changes affect business operations, assesses impact on business objectives, provides context behind technical updates, and translates technical progress into business language. 6. Stakeholder communication support. The BA prepares summaries for steering committees, supports presentations or dashboards, clarifies business-related queries during review meetings, and strengthens decision-making at governance level. 7. Maintaining documentation references in reports. The BA ensures version numbers are accurate, references updated requirements or models, confirms documentation alignment, and supports audit and compliance readiness. Now let us look at the sixth output, which is the change logs. During the project development or execution or delivery phase, change is almost inevitable. New insights emerge, regulatory updates may occur, stakeholders may refine their needs, or technical constraints may require adjustments. The change log formally records and tracks these changes. While the project manager oversees governance, the business analyst plays a central role in managing the content and quality of change-related information. The contribution of a business analyst to the fifth output, which is change logs, are: 1. Capturing change requests. The BA documents new change requests clearly and accurately, records the business justification, identifies the originator of the change, ensures requests are logged in the change register, and ensures transparency and accountability. 2. Performing impact analysis. The BA assesses impact on scope, cost, timeline, and quality, evaluates impact on business processes, identifies dependencies and affected requirements, assesses risks introduced by the change, and enables informed decision-making before approval. 3. Updating requirements and traceability. The BA updates the Business Requirements Document (BRD) or functional specification, revises acceptance criteria where required, updates the Requirements Traceability Matrix (RTM), ensures new or modified requirements are tracked, and maintains alignment between changes and documentation. 4. Supporting change approval process. The BA presents impact findings to stakeholders or Change Control Board (CCB), clarifies business implications, answers stakeholder questions, records approval or rejection decisions, and supports governance and structured decision-making. 5. Communicating approved changes. The BA explains changes to development and testing teams, updates relevant stakeholders, ensures alignment across business and technical teams, and prevents misunderstanding and rework. 6. Monitoring implementation of changes. The BA tracks implementation progress, confirms changes are correctly developed, ensures updates are included in testing, validates that acceptance criteria are met, and ensures changes are properly executed. 7. Maintaining version control. The BA ensures documentation reflects current approved changes, tracks version history, maintains audit trail of modifications, and supports compliance and future reference. Let us now pause here and reflect on what we have learned in these phases of the project lifecycle, which are the project analysis and design, and the project development or execution or delivery phase. It is also important to reflect on the outputs of these phases and the contribution of a business analyst to those project outputs. In the next video, we shall move on to the fifth phase of the project lifecycle, which is project testing phase. See you in the next video.